Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create folders and move files into the folders in Windows. So here I'm using a Windows 11 as my operating system, and here I'm going to show you how you can create folders. So in here I'm going to create a new folder in this videos uh, in here. So if you want to create a new folder, you can just click on this new button at the top, or you can also right click in here, and there will be this new options. Here choose to create a folder, and here you can just rename the folder. For example, I'm going to just write a new folder like this. Now the folder has been created, and if you want to move files into this folder, just select the file that you want to remove. For example, I'm going to move all of this file block like this, or you can just do this, and after that you can drag it into the folder, or just right click, and here click on this cut, this scissor icon, go to the folder, right click again, and click on the paste option, or use the control plus V shortcut on your keyboard. And just like that, the files has been moved into the folder. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.